You're watching Unrealetgaming by Kyle Freeman Avina. Please press the like and rock button, then press subscribe, or else I'll hakai you from existence. Just messing with you guys. But anyways, all credit for this episode goes to all the episodes created by Unrealetgaming. Anyway, if you guys are fans of Unrealetgaming, then go to his channel after you watch the episode. Tonight we're gonna draw Majin Buu fused with Golden Frieza. In this episode, where we first saw him, Majin Buu and Frieza fused for one time as training against Murno. You know, the fallen angel from Universe 13. You know, the man who broke his angel code. Really nasty. But I'm sure the charges against him will be dropped soon. This goes out beyond Dragon Ball Super. There we go. Now here's how we draw Golden Frieza fused with Majin Buu. There's his fist. Now we draw his abs. And just like Majin Buu, we draw the M mark on his belt. And lastly, we draw his other fist. Alexa, play Big Bang Mission.
Super Dragon Ball Heroes Big Bang Mission theme by Mira Jam on Amazon Music.
And there he is. That is how you draw what Majin Buu looks like with Golden Frieza. I bet Myrna won't stand a chance against this guy. That is, if Majin Buu's the only one in control. To be honest, I feel like that Majin Buu and Golden Frieza aren't exactly in control of themselves because the fusion has a mind of its own. It's just like Vegeta. It's just like Vegito, Gogeta, and Gotenks. They all have personalities of their own. Honestly, Piccolo is the only one that's in control of his fusion. To be honest, that's not really a fusion at all. It's basically just Piccolo with Kami and Nail merged with him. Well, actually, it's just a fusion of Piccolo that just absorbs Nail and Kami right on the spot. You know, ever since the Frieza and Android arcs. But anyways, I saw that in the game, Piccolo, Kami, and Nail defused when they were fighting against Lord Slug. Which reminds me, I have to draw him one of these days. Anyways, that's how you draw Majin Buu and Golden Frieza merged. Please like your blog and subscribe to my channel, and let me know which character you want me to draw next. All credit for this episode goes out to unrealetgaming, for he was the one who showed this character into his series. And anyways, I'll see you guys again soon. Bye.